अब हम एक सेगमेंट खेलेंगे आपके साथ. It's called SMS. The full form is social media story.
Alright, social media stories, okay.
Yeah, SMS. So first, most interesting person on social media.
The most interesting person on social media for me is Jacqueline Fernandez. She's always so quirky, funny, and has some crazy stuff to put up on Instagram from India. Otherwise, of course, I love Ellen DeGeneres. She has the most wackiest, funniest things on Instagram to see.
Whom do you think is active on social media with fake identity?
I think a lot of stalkers, a lot of men who don't want their girlfriends to know they have another account, a lot of girls maybe like that. I think people with fake identities are people who are not confident about who they are to actually go out publicly and reveal themselves, or maybe some politicians who don't want the media to know कि हम internet पे हैं.
Okay, social media is a blessing or curse?
Both. I think it's both. For me, I think social media is great to reach out to people for work, brand endorsements, marketing, advertising. But when the younger generation, like the millennials like us, when we get obsessed with people on Instagram with their Photoshop body figures, faces, their lifestyles, their drinking, their partying, and various other things that people allow to be on the social media, I think it is kind of really corrupting the mind of the young women and the men. So I believe since we have no laws when it comes to even nudity sometimes, I feel like we have laws until you're not really showing everything, but we still have women and men putting up gross pictures where women feel like they're entitled to do this to get more likes and followers, where men feel that they have to put their best picture and body picture out that women might like them. But I think you're beautiful with abs, without a nude picture. I think women are beautiful. It's just that we have different cultures, so we have different ideas and norms about how we should live our lives. But don't try to follow someone else's social media handle and think that's going to be your life. So that ways, I believe it's a curse because everybody's looking at each other, stalking each other कि उसने मेरा like करा नहीं करा, photograph देखी नहीं देखी. तो आधा दिन ना, I see my sisters, friends and everything, all day are on Instagram, Facebook, just trying to see how many likes and followers they have, which is important, okay, fine, but it's gone beyond a level where there is no privacy left in people's lives. So I believe that's a curse, but the boon is work happens, you get connected, you build, you generate, and you earn money. So information is passed, so it's good.
Okay, hashtag that should be banned.
Hypocrisy and judgments passed on women and what they do. I mean, just the way, what I mean by this is like in my previous, I said that women are posting pictures of the nude body, right? You're comfortable, do it. But I just don't want the younger girls to think that they have to do this to get somewhere. It's your life, you live the way you want to live, do whatever you want to do, but what should be banned is that kids below the age of 21 should not be allowed to be on Instagram. And there should be a limited privacy control for them. So what should be banned is stalkers and haters and trollers.
Okay, if you want to block someone, who's she or he?
If I want to block someone, would be someone I know very closely in my distant family who's been trying to bring my entire family down because I am doing well for my life. So they try to make fake blogs, they try to create fake articles online, they try to morph pictures and videos of me, and they try to demean my mom, my dad, my sister for us being or us doing so well. So if I see you, honey, and you know who you are, I will box you.
Whom do you stalk the most?
I don't stalk, that's the point. So basically on Instagram, right, you have followers who you follow and people who follow you, right? So what I actually go and really stalk is maybe the page of Vogue to kind of find out what's happening. I definitely stalk Ellen because she makes me laugh, right? She makes the entire world laugh. And I definitely follow Oprah Winfrey. I definitely follow Michelle Obama. I follow Alia Bhatt because I think she is so cute, and Jacqueline, but I don't stalk them. So stalking would be Vogue. Yeah, I stalk their Instagram handle. I love what they put up.
The most funny and entertaining person on social media?
Lele Pons. Lele Pons is so funny on Instagram. She and her best friend are amazing. Yeah. And boss lady Shruti, my closest friend. She is hilarious. I just recently made a video on her about bitchy pageant stories, guys. So do check it out on YouTube. It's our handle is Boss Lady Shruti, so it's really funny. Yeah.
Most active person on social media?
I think the Kardashians. They're the most active, like more than all of us. Yeah.
Okay, one word for trollers.
You could troll me or the entire fraternity, but what you do is not news. What you do just makes us laugh and think how gross you can be. And you have a lot of time for your creativity, which I appreciate. It's great, but it doesn't really affect our lives. So, I mean, maybe you use your life in doing something more constructive, which adds something to our lives. But otherwise, boo-hoo.
Your favorite emojis?
My favorite emojis is, of course, like the rolled up eyes. It's like, hello, honey, what? Then I have the heart. Then I have that, you know, when I'm really pissed off with somebody, my smile will be like, you know, that basic looking down smile. They would know I'm pissed. And I like that emoji. It's my favorite. And the one with the poo. Yep.
How do you react when someone replies, okay?
Oh, I am the one who does that. Most of the times, K. It's not with the OK, it's just a K. So I'm just like, so when I do it, I'm like, they should just understand I'm angry or I'm not in the mood or I'm just not wanting to talk. But when someone else does it to me and I'm just like, excuse me? Did you just send me a and a K? Honey, only I can do that. But I think we all feel the same thing when someone does that. So it's better you just give them their space.
Okay, have you ever flirted with your fans?
I don't want to lead them on. I would not flirt with my fans. Hell no, honey. I mean, I love my fans, but I don't think I would want to lead them to a place where they're going to be disappointed, right? So, not really. No.
The most irritating question that someone asks you?
So basically, you know, as you said, we have fake accounts and we have some real accounts and we have accounts that follow you. The most frequently asked question is always about my dating life. It's about my body and it's about my other girlfriends. So, I mean, for me, they ask me about my body is, how are you so hot and sexy? And I'm just like, how? All right. Then they're like, why are you so beautiful? I don't know, man. I wish I was maybe something else you wish me to be. Then they ask me that, oh yeah, people always like, people who are jealous of men, like, I want to kiss your lips. And I'm just looking at them, what, honey? You want to kiss my lips? Then I have some people asking about surgeries, people asking about various kind of things. And I'm like, look, if I look pretty with or without surgery, great, no? I mean, just be happy. I mean, as long as people don't look bad. So I feel that when people ask me private questions about my dating life, I am not dating anyone. So if I am, you will still not know, but I'm not. For now, I'm not.
A worst pickup line that you have heard?
Oh, you're so Latin and Brazilian. Can I go on a vacation with you? I'm like, what does me being Latin or Brazilian have to do with going on a vacation with you? Just tell me that, honey. I mean, well, I get a lot of different things that I look Spanish, sometimes I look Italian, sometimes I look like I'm South India or I look like I'm Kashmir. Great, I can look various things, that's my job. But when people ask me, can I take you on a vacation? And I'm like, where, honey? And why? And the cheesiest line is that I am always compared to Nargis and Sonam. And when they tell me that they use some really atrocious language, and I'm just like, that will not work on me. You know, they try to put the other actresses down to make me feel good. It doesn't work because we're all trying to make it. So stop doing that. Yeah.
Okay, so ये था हमारा SMS यानी कि social media stories.
All right.
So do you like it?
Of course, it was fun, and I was just like, what do I say? It was fun. Yeah, it is.